Source of funds, making your payment, filing requirements, and tax payment requirements. Source of funds, making your payment, filing requirements, and tax payment requirements is in Section 6. This is asking where you are coming up with the money to pay this offer.
If you're borrowing it from friends or family, you'll put that here. Maybe you're borrowing it from a retirement account, or you're just going to adjust expenses to be able to afford it. Just explain this. This section also explains to you here how you're going to make checks payable. You want to make sure you're following those guidelines to get them applied properly on your account. Make checks payable to the United States Treasury and attach them to the front of your Form 656 Offer and Compromise. All payments must be in U.S. dollars. Do not send cash. Send a separate application fee with each offer. Do not combine it with any other tax payments, as this could delay processing of your offer. You may also make payments through the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, EFT-PS. This is important. Your offer will be returned to you if the required application fee and payment are not included, or if your check is returned for insufficient funds. And then the form is going to go over some filing requirements. On these filing requirements, you want to mark one of these boxes. You have filed all required tax returns, or you weren't required to file tax returns for the following years and indicate which ones. Let's say that you didn't have any taxable income for 2016, so you won't be filing a return for that year. You'll want to make sure that you mark that box here so the IRS doesn't think it's missing a return.
In order to submit an offer, you must be compliant with your tax obligations. This includes your tax filings and your tax payments, such as estimated tax payments for the current quarter and federal tax deposits for the prior 2 quarters. If you're self-employed, or if you don't have enough federal tax withholding and you're required to make estimated tax payments, you're going to have to be required to pay those.
These 4 check boxes here give you different options that you can check based on your situation. You'll want to make sure that you check the applicable boxes so the IRS will know you've made all required estimated tax payments and/or federal tax deposits, or that you're not required to make ES payments and/or federal tax deposits for the current tax year. The IRS will also verify your compliance by checking internal records.